Do you know Inspector Hostess?
You're gonna have to talk to him.
Be serious.
Moira, one bad review could sink this motel. We had 4 good reviews.
You done?
And this just brought.
You got me begging, begging, baby, please don't go. If I wake up tomorrow, will you still be here?
Oh, hey. Oh, buddy.
Oh. Mami. Ma, Toby's biting. Why? You scared of Mom? Bitch.
Have you ever seen a golden retriever ex-husky?
Well, this is what it looks like.
Giving sparkling water to my dog and seeing his reaction.
She looking comfortable?
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Here he comes. You are.
Yeah, shut up. Honestly.
You're gonna, you know what? Next summer you're gonna be wearing your string on.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall. Can't no hoe tell me shit. Cause bitch, I'm the shit. Oh my mom and my sis.
Wait, hang on, stop! You don't want to do this! Listen, I've been a good boy! I've been a good boy, please! I've been such a good boy! Don't do it! No!
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Bark at your dog and see what they do.
Am I bleeding? Am I bleeding? Am I bleeding? Am I bleeding?
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. He.
takating, kuliki takata, kuliki takating, kuliki takata, sakalakatiki takata.
I woke up this morning feeling lonely. Watermelon sugar.